everyone, this is Sarah, the Catholic Homemaker. Today I wanted to do a quick video showing you how to make a simple mask for your face, and I do this actually pretty frequently, sometimes a few times a week. You could really do it every day if you wanted to, and what I'll be using is this bentonite clay. This is the brand that I have, but you could use other brands. I will link it down below so you have it. But it just requires 2 ingredients, water and this clay, and let's get started. Well, first of all, welcome everyone to my channel. I would love it if you would subscribe so we can continue to grow this community. Also hit the thumbs up button if you liked this video. Share it, comment below what your favorite face mask is. All right, so I have a bowl, I have my utensils here. I have just a ceramic bowl and a wooden and I think that's silicone spatula. You do not want to use metal with bentonite clay. I'm just gonna put about a tablespoon into the bowl. Let's see if I can show you that. Okay, and I have some water in a glass here, and I'm just gonna pour a little bit in there to just mix it. Okay, I'm gonna need more than that because it's pretty dry. So I would just say add less water first in case you get it too watery. So you just want to get it not too watery, but like not too dry. So just enough for it to really be smooth. I'm gonna start using my fingers because it's getting stuck on the spatula. And it just takes like a few minutes to dry. Sometimes I leave it on for maybe 10 minutes. But really the key is like once it dries, you can wash it right off your face. So you don't want to use metal because I think it kind of deactivates the bentonite clay. I don't remember the exact reason. I think it actually says it right on the directions here. Yeah, a non-metal bowl and utensil, but it does not indicate why. Sorry. Okay. This is a little bit more liquidy than I would like, so I would say do it a little drier than that. You could always add more. But for now, I'm just going to apply it right to my face. You kind of want to work out any clumps because it won't smooth onto your face as nicely. But it feels really nice once you wash the mask off, because every time I do it, my skin just feels so much lighter, and it feels like it's drawn stuff out of my skin. It looks much brighter, and my skin looks smoother and clearer. So I just love doing it. I feel like it helps with wrinkles a little bit too. So almost have it applied. It looks like I have more than enough in here. So just that small amount is enough to cover your entire face. And then some, really. All right, that's it. I'm gonna wash my hands and I will be back when it dries. Hey guys, I'm back. My face isn't 100% dry yet, but I actually need to get going soon, so I'm gonna speed this up. This is how it looks like. So here's kind of more of a wet spot. It was a little thicker in that area, but most things are dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off. Now, it is pretty normal for things to be red, for your skin to be red initially, but it does go down. So you might see that my skin is a little flushed from doing this, but that is a normal thing. And it's actually really good for your skin, just bentonite clay in general. So trying to warm up the water for myself. Start washing it off. But I have a washcloth here, which is much more efficient, but I don't want to do it with cold water. All right, here's what I look like after the mask. I feel like, as I said before, my skin feels lighter, brighter, clearer. So I hope you give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Blessed All Saints Day, and may God bless you and your family.